I'm on strike till I get a big drink of refrigerant.
Is your old air conditioner talking back to you?
Can I get this dent looked at? I'm feeling a little woozy.
The Beyer boys can repair that grumpy old air conditioner or replace it with a state-of-the-art, energy-efficient Lennox system.
When's the last time you even hosed the dirt off my fins?
Sounds like somebody needs a little TLC. Call the experts at the Beyer boys for Lennox quality, serving South Texas for over 30 years.
Lennox, air is life. Make it perfect.